number 17, Election. Election bringing down the ball quickly. Election, drops the ball to Gonzalez, fakes, inching low step. Lexita, put back, no good. Mother for the loose ball. Ball goes to Amis. Is bringing down the ball quickly. Amis, ball is stolen by number 17, Election. It's a 3-on-3 situation. Election, wide open shot. Connects for 2 for Election. 20 back. Timalen, invaluable to number 17, which is Labramonte. Labramonte, drops the ball to Amis. Amis, drops the ball to Monserrata. Monserrata gathering by the 2 men. Monserrata, ball is stolen by Antonio. Antonio bringing down the ball. Antonio on the right side with the speed. Antonio is still in control. Antonio losing the ball. Ball is stolen by Labramonte. No, long pass. To Amis, Nation Tap is good. May kasama pang foul. Who's foul left? Foul has been called on number 17. Election committed first personal foul. First team foul. Bonus free throw. Monserrata. Bonus free throw is good. He completed the 3-point play. Gonzalez with a left-handed dribbling. Gonzalez looking for his teammate. Election back naman to Gonzalez. To Quinto to the last. No, back naman to los ball. Covers by Antonio. Picks. Antonio drops naman to Election. To Gonzalez. Wide open shot is good for Gonzalez. At down the lead to 10 points. Monserrata looking for his teammate. To Timalen. Back naman to Monserrata. Monserrata kicks out the ball to Amis. Amis wide open 3. No good this time. Rebound by Quinto. Quinto to Antonio. Antonio to Election. Election at side. Attacking the middle of the glass. Connects for 2. Cut down the lead to a single digit. With the state timeout. Baseco cut down the lead to only 8 points this time. Is still a lot of time to consider for this game. I repeat, this game is an or-die situation.
64-56. Favor of black and orange jersey.
A quarter-final round. Who will win on this game will be qualified to a next round, which is semi-finals. And the losing will be better luck next time. Number 17, Labramonte on the top of the key. Labramonte looking setting to Amis. Amis to the Guzman, leaving the opponent behind to score an easy 2 for the Guzman. Gonzalez with the left-handed dribbling. Gonzalez the crossover, drop pass, Election, wide open shot. No good, given by Labramonte. Labramonte bringing down the ball at the middle. Takes the pass up and away. For Labramonte, what a move coming from you.
Dami na i-score niya.
Gonzalez.
Number 16 ng black.
Gonzalez looking for Election. Election picks the ball back the ball to Gonzalez. Gonzalez, 10 on the shot clock. Last touch on Monserrata. 9 seconds on the shot clock. Substitution. Hold the ball left. Substitution. 9 seconds on the shot clock. Sige, pasok na. Antonio to Election, baseline niya, no good, rebound by Iraq. To Labramonte, Labramonte to Amis. Amis drops the ball to Monserrata.
3 points. Monserrata.
Up to a 50-point lead for the team of Baseco. Manipol to Quinto. From the direction, brought up to Manipol. Getting on the shot clock, splitting players. Drop passing to number 3. To expect the ball sure is good for number 3, Antonio. Amis. Drop the ball to Monserrata. Monserrata, back the ball to Amis. Picks the pass, back the ball to Monserrata. For the 3-point shot, no, but there is a putback coming from Iraq. Number 23, Manipol. Manipol, Biggs, drop pass. Looking go, but ball is stolen by to the Guzman. The Guzman picks up. No good, but the ball goes to Maigi. Maigi dapat sa direction. Maigi at the left side with the speed.